it's cold. As you can probably tell from my voice, I'm kind of already down with like some congestion or whatever. I had a cold like this past week. Probably gonna get it again. It's fine. It's been snowing a little bit. We haven't really had this much snow recently. This is probably the most we've had in about a year or two possibly ish. Last time we had like a lot of snow was probably like 2009. I want to say that was like a major, like 2 feet for us. That was a lot for us. And I was like in, I don't know, like junior high or something like. So I just stayed inside and play Xbox, killing noobs on COD all day. So you know that's fine. Looking at the roads in the neighborhood, they don't look like the snow or any ice is sticking really. So I'm not gonna bring the car on the field or anything, just because I don't want to like. I don't want mud everywhere, and I don't feel like cleaning that up later. So. I mean, it's gonna get dirty anyways. It's already dirty. What am I saying? But well, I don't know. We're gonna scout it out. I don't really know what the day holds. I haven't been out today. I don't know. We'll go see. It's cold. I'm gonna hurry this up and I don't know. I don't know what's next. Oh, okay. Yeah.
What's up, dudes?